In this video, we are looking at this gorgeous shipping container structure with over 5 bedrooms and amazing hillside views from each and every room in the house. I like the full height glazing that creates an unrestricted view of the undulating landscape, plus this amazing access is just something else. The quality of both indoor and outdoor finishes is also top-notch. That's the general view of the structure from the hillside. I like the use of these mono-pitch roofs with unrestricted views of the hillside from every direction. Moving inside this amazing property, this is the living room. It is with beautiful furnishings, high quality workmanship, white painted walls and ceiling, and this maintenance free floor finish that gives warm vibes through and through. I like the choice of furniture and the use of wood sparingly to create a bit of warmth in this living space. This is a view of the living space extension, creating some nice intimate spaces for individualized sitting. We have the wall mounted fans to enhance indoor thermal comfort when the temperature goes higher. This is a view of the dining cum kitchen space. You'll appreciate still in this space also the quality of finishing is just something else. The dining table is big enough to sit a big group or a big family setup. The kitchen is also well furnished with stainless steel appliances, and there is enough storage cabinets both under the counter and overhead storage. The kitchen island is more of a savory as opposed to a breakfast counter. This is a view of one of the bedrooms. The bedrooms technically occupy a single 20-foot shipping container, and the indoor furnishing is very high quality, plus the white painted indoor walls and ceilings to create that illusion of large indoor spaces. All bedrooms emanate from the common living spaces and they have individualized tastes and furnishing. The beds are arranged in such a way that they are facing the view down the slope to enjoy the majestic view right from the bed. View of that amazing view, there's an outdoor balcony to further appreciate the view. The full height glazing creates unrestricted visual access to the outdoors. That's a similar view of the bedroom setting, and you can appreciate that view is just something else. This is a view of another bedroom, a similar arrangement, beautiful beddings, beautiful furnishing, and essential bedroom facilities provided to enhance comfort during your stay. This storage space, I like the choice of wood that has been used here on these furnishings to create a bit of warmth in these nice bedroom cum lodging facilities. This is a distant view of the same, showing the arrangement of the bed and the furnishings around the same. There's a ceiling fan and a wall-mounted mirror to enhance function. Each room, it is ensuite with its own bathroom to enhance usability and comfort during your stay. The view, as usual, you can see this picture window, that view is just impeccable. There's a similar bedroom arrangement, a different bedroom. You can see different setups, but the general design concept is well thought out and it is well executed. The same bedroom from the window side. The same bedroom showing the overall arrangement. You'll appreciate there's a window there and additional furnishing to enhance usage and comfort. This is a view of the bathroom. Well finished, you'll appreciate. High quality faucets. Even the wall tiling plus the lighting is just well executed. I like the glass shower stall. Rooms have a similar arrangement and design, and therefore you'll appreciate the quality of finishes. The same bathroom, a different view. This is the overall view of this undulating setting of the property and the sloping side, and the use of shipping containers which are so deceiving from outside, but on the inside the quality of finishing is just well executed. That's approach frontal view is amazing, it is breathtaking, and it is just well executed. This beautiful house is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. We love everything about this amazing container project. We love the design that takes advantage of the slope to enhance maximum vantage views, and also the use of full height glazing plus the wall mounted fans to enhance indoor thermal comfort. If you love shipping container homes like these ones, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase the best of shipping container architecture from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.